Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just coming with you with an awesome DIY project. I found these beautiful bomb mirrors at Goodwill, and they had a flash sale, so every other Saturday is half off. And these mirrors was originally $6, and I got them two for $3. So what I'm gonna do here is take these vintage mirrors and just spray paint the frame of them. That's just so it don't look so outdated and old. And I got hammer black from Home Depot, and it was under $4, literally under $4. I think it was like $3.85 or something like that. And I had already sanded off camera, so it's already sanded. So make sure you do that so the new paint adhere better. And then I just put printing paper inside the frame to protect the mirror, of course. And once I did that, I just checked to make sure that it was no end. So that's the most important part, just to make sure that the paper is really pushed up in there. I had to do this like several times. Yeah, I just think this looks so cute. And then when I get done, I'm gonna put them inside my little entryway. It's not really entryway, but I'm trying to make it to where everything has its own particular part. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is start spraying the frame in this clip here. I had to protect the concrete because I didn't want to get in trouble with the apartment complex. Make sure you take off safety on the spray can. And this part is pretty much self-explanatory. You would just spray it in even strokes first when you go around, and then you'll get more heavier as you start laying on. So what I did, I just went in shift. So every 10, 15 minutes, I'll come back out and then spray another one. That way it don't be runny or bubbly, or one side is too dark and the other side is too light. So you might want to just take that into consideration when you go and do this project yourself. And I love this spray paint. It had beautiful texture when it was finished and complete. So if you like hammered and like a different kind of look, you'll really like this. Well, I guys hope you enjoy the video. I did other ones, and it was just the same ones. I just spray painted everything that I had got that day. So hopefully you take this lesson and you learn from it and do your own thing. And eventually it looked like this. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for all my new subscribers. Thank you for all the support. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.